As a software engineer and doing YouTube on the side, and also gaming in my free time, a huge chunk of my day is spent on my work laptop or PC. That being said, it is really important for me to have a good quality keyboard to cover my programming, video production, and of course, gaming needs. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the keyboard that I recently purchased and have been using for the past few months. The Redragon K580 VATA backlit mechanical keyboard. Hey, Jerry here and welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, I cover topics in lifestyle and tech, so if that interests you, please consider subscribing. Alright, onto the keyboard. I'm gonna go over the specs and the key features on why I personally enjoy using this keyboard. The Redragon K580 VATA keyboard comes in different key switch variations. I personally got the one with the blue clicky switches. I like that nice mechanical clicky feedback. And since I'm working from home now, I don't have to worry about bothering my coworkers. I'll have a link to the one that I purchased down below in the description. The keyboard comes in a nice box. Along with it, there are tools to remove the keycaps and the switches themselves. They also include 2 blue, 2 red, 2 brown, and 2 black extra switches. Moving on to the design, quality, and features, as you can see, this is a full keyboard. It includes a number pad. It's pretty sturdy, there isn't much deck flex, and the design is pretty sleek and fits right into my desk setup. On the bottom side, there are kickstands to give a more ergonomic tilt. As I mentioned before, this is an RGB backlit keyboard. It comes with 18 different light configurations, which are very easy to cycle through. Simply hold the function button and press one of the 6 keys marked accordingly. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and that's the exact number of how many light configurations there are for each key. To cycle through, just press repeatedly. If you download the optional software from Redragon, you can further customize your keyboard and create your own presets. On the left and right, there are these nice side lights that cover the whole entire edge of each side, and I personally think they add to the nice aesthetic of the keyboard. Aside from the lights, what's also cool about this particular model is that it comes with 6 extra programmable keys on the top left, the multimedia controls, and also the scroll wheel on the top right, which controls the volume and also the brightness of the backlit keys. The extra programmable keys have been very useful, especially when I use OBS, as I have buttons to start the recording and to switch between scenes. The multimedia keys and the scroll wheel are really just the cherry on top to the whole thing, as they make skipping through songs and adjusting the volume on Spotify an easier experience while I do work. They aren't really necessary, but it's just a nice added touch. The typing experience on this keyboard is great and is very satisfying. I'm not the greatest touch typer, but ever since using this keyboard, I've gotten faster at typing and also better at touch typing. This is actually my first time owning a mechanical keyboard. The feedback and click I get on each key press is just great and I love it. From writing code to video editing and writing scripts, this keyboard has really boosted my productivity and typing experience. And with the overall great quality, the extra programmable keys, the multimedia keys, the scroll wheel, and the lights, this keyboard is around $70. If that's in your price range, I highly recommend this keyboard if you're looking into getting a quality mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank. This concludes my review of the keyboard that I personally use. For more videos on lifestyle tech and videos just like this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support to the channel. And if this video helped you at all, make sure to leave a like on this video. I'm Jerry and I'll see you in the next one.